Right, so this is your final two-wheel drive. 10th on the grid, we have Wayne Palmer. 9th, Ellis Gasson. 8th, Sam Daimlo. 7th, George Miller. 6th, we have Mr. Mark Hedlin. 5th, we have Mr. Anthony. 4, Lohan. 3, Will. 2, James. And then we have Mr. Sherwood. Well done, Paul. Right, let's keep it nice and clean. You know you want to, boys and girls. Mark, what car are you running this time? Has it got a transponder in? Are you sure it's going to work? Right, listen up then, please, drivers. Marshals, be alert. Watch the track in front of you, not the race. Listen up. I don't hear no love for Mark Hedley out there. Right, so away they go. Up onto the tabletop. Sherwood in the lead. Bit of a pile-ups, but Sherwood's getting away nice and cleanly. Round the slippery. Dead car on the straight. Clear. There is a marshal out there. After the first part of the wall of death, there is a marshal. Don't try and drive up him, please. Right, so that's all cars over the loop. But Sherwood well out in the lead as he comes down the straight. Making a massive mistake. Ross catches him. Puts him on back on the track. Another one, Ross. Another one, Ross. Another one, Ross. Beside you. Tidy up, girls and boys. Whoa. Slow car on the straight. Clear. So at the moment it is Hedley, Palmer, Daimlo. Watch how you come down the race line. On the straight, dead car on the inside, Marshall, thank you, Phil. So Mr. Hedlin out in the lead from Palmer, from right. They are your top three. Are you all right, Ross? So have we got any Mark Hedlin fans in the audience? All right, we've got one. What happened to Richard? He didn't stay to watch Mark. So Hedlin in the lead from right now, gone up in second, then Daimlo, then Innocent, then Gomez. Whoa, high and dry, dead car on the straight, on the inside, clear, well done. Marshall on the straight, clear, well done. Manic times. Well done, boys and girls. Upside down. Be careful there, Phil. Well done, mate. Oh, tidy up. 2 cars on the straight on the inside. Whoa, well, good driving there, car 4. You nearly took Ross out and both the cars. Very excellent driving from you. Another dead car on the straight. Marshall out there. All right, so we're down to 1:40 to go. Still Mark Hedlin leading from James, from William. Ross having his work cut out for him on that straight. Dead car on the straight. Thank you, marshals. Minute to go. Still Headland leading. So your race leader coming down the straight. Round in front of race control, getting a little bit wrong on the wall of death. Looks like he's got plenty of time and space though. Not that much though. So Headland making another mistake. He looks like he's coming up to third place to lap. Oh, Headland getting it all wrong on the straight. Dead car on the straight, clear, clear. Oh, another dead car on by your foot.
5's finished.
Don't
4's
sit
finished.
too close to that track, please, Ross.
8's finished. 3's finished. 7's finished. 6's finished. 2's finished. Race over drivers, if we could have all the cars switched off please, and those with handout transponders return them please, and then all the drivers out to marshal, thank you. The result for this final is first place car 6, second place
William Innocent,
third place car 2, fourth place
Antonio Gomez,
fifth place
Lohan,
sixth place car 8, seventh place car 7, eighth place
Ellis Gasson,
ninth place car 1, and in 10th place
Wayne Palmer,